Proworks Scissor Lift, 999 Swedish krona and about 101 US dollars. I purchased it because I needed something a little better than the kitchen table for working on my scooters. I'd seen some folks on YouTube using folding workbenches, but since I will be having some heavier scooters, I wanted something a bit stronger and a bit more stable. I will now show the unboxing, but I sped it up by 900%, so hopefully it doesn't put anyone to sleep. I was surprised to see the parts in nice cloth bags. Here's everything laid out. Step 1 is putting on the legs. I had a common sense failure right here. Instead, turn it upside down and maybe use a power tool. Next, insert the pressure release lever and turn counterclockwise to take pressure off the piston. Push down on the piston socket and insert the foot pump. Tighten the screw on the foot pump. Then turn the pressure release lever clockwise to close the pressure release valve. The jack also comes with a safety rod that can be inserted to 2 different locations depending on the height you have the stand set to. Last thing to install is the safety tie-down brackets. There is one on each side and their depth is slightly adjustable. The stand can be raised to a maximum deck height of 80 centimeters, about 31.5 inches. Overall, I'm really happy with the stand and much better than working on the kitchen table. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you when I see you.